Good afternoon, I am Vasya the cat. Today, in Alla Yurievna's lesson, you will learn about the structure of a flower. Let's dive into the world of nature and find out how flowers are structured.
Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, there lived a flower named Petalina. She wasn't just beautiful, she was a true wonder of nature. At the top, she had petals, bright like butterfly wings. They invited bees and butterflies, as if calling them to a little party. Beneath the petals stood the stamens, they made golden pollen, like magical fairy dust. Next to them hid the pistil, the queen of the flower. She received the pollen and helped new life begin. At the base was the receptacle, the throne where the whole flower rested. And below that was the peduncle, like a giraffe's neck, holding the flower up, stretching it toward the sun. So Petalina grew, dreaming that one day, a whole meadow of magical flowers would bloom from her seeds. And bees would buzz with joy, while the wind would carry her story far and wide.